Hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will teach you on how to change your password on Facebook. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, okay, gumagawa ako ng mga tutorial videos like this and ng mga makeups and also haul. And like this, just give thumbs up and subscribe my channel if this will help you. Okay, so let's start. First of all, click your Facebook app and then click nyo yung 3 lines sa taas, sa right side, and then find the settings and privacy, and then click the privacy shortcuts. After that, hanapin mo ang change your password. So, ito siya. Okay, so ilalagay ko yung password ko na ngayon. So, yun guys, nalagay ko na yung password ko na luma at saka yung password na bago. Okay? So, ngayon, i-click na natin yung Save Changes. So, ilalagay natin ang Stay Logged In. Continue. So, ayun na. Tapos na yun. Napalit na siya. So, yun lang. That's all. Thank you for watching.